Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set action items on every app. So when you long press on an app icon, this reveals a contextual menu with shortcuts like composing messages, setting reminders, or opening specific app features. So the benefit of this is that it saves time by jumping straight to a common action without opening the full app. So let me just give you an example. Say for example, the call feature, you can go ahead and long press on this, and this will basically show you some common features where you can see missed calls, search for a contact, or create a contact. Let's say, for example, TikTok. Go ahead and long press on it. You can see notifications, or you can start recording a TikTok video. For example, Amazon. Here you can go ahead and search for a product, order, cart, or deals. Let's say Instagram. Here you can go ahead and open up camera, view activity, new post, and chat. In addition to this, you can go ahead and drag any actions from there, and you can go ahead and create a new action out of it. So here from Instagram, I've dragged out camera. So when I go ahead and tap on camera, this will open up my camera view on Instagram. So I can repeat the process and I can do it for any app. So here I can go ahead and straight open Shorts, or I can search for a YouTube video, or I can look at subscriptions. And there you go, guys. That is how to action items on every app on your Samsung device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.